back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. I have my hair up. We have a stitch fix. Let's do it. If you haven't tried stitch fix before and you'd like to, I'll leave a referral down below for $25 towards your first box, and there's a description down below. They send you 5 items. You have a $20 styling fee. My dog's barking. She stopped barking. Okay, so we're gonna open up the box with our trusty rusty screwdriver. Here we go. My hair's up. I know it's weird. It's weird for me too. Look at that hair back there. That's fine. I need to wash my hair. So it's up. There we go. How's everyone doing? How's everybody doing tonight? Great. We have our mailer to send back the things you don't want to keep. My little table over here is really full. Usually I have my makeup on this because I do my makeup in here for now because we're still working on our bathroom, and all my makeup is over here. Usually I move it to the floor, a little behind the scenes, but it's over on this table, so it's kind of crowded. We have our style note and our invoice, and we'll go over prices at the end. Let's read our style note. Hey Rachel, happy fix day. Can you believe summer is on its way here? It's here. I hope you're ready for the hot temperatures and excited to get outside to get some sun. I am. We just opened our pool. So as I'm filming this, we just opened our pool this week. When this goes up, I've probably enjoyed it a few times by now. I'm sending some amazing staples that you can transition easily into warmer weather. I hope this fix helps you find some great must-haves and brightens your day. It always does. These chambray shorts are a closet staple because you can wear them day and night and dress them up or down. They'll look super cute with the 9 Britain top and sandals. Jumpsuits are cute, comfortable, and super versatile. They are. You can style with dressy jewelry and sandals for an upcoming event, or dress it down with a denim jacket for a casual weekend brunch. That sounds delicious. The t-shirt dress is super versatile. You can style it for a night out or toss it on to run errands with a pair of sneakers. XO, Caitlin. Thank you, Caitlin. I'm excited for this box. It took a little longer. I was supposed to get it, I don't know. When was I supposed to get it? 4. So it was like a week late for some reason. And that's okay. They haven't done that in a while. Here's our bundle. It only looks like there's 2 things in there, but there's more. I swear. I'm gonna break down my box. I'm just, you know, I've been trying to do that. I've been trying to break them down as I go. And to break them down, I use scissors. Yeah, I have scissors here. But I like to open the box with a trusty rusty screwdriver because it doesn't slice things. I use the scissors after because I know nothing's in the box anymore, and I'm not gonna hurt anything with the scissors. So that's my logic. It might be good, it might not be, but it's mine. Okay, here we go. We're opening it up. Opening it. Ooh, she's soft. Okay. Market and Spruce, Louisa flutter sleeve knit top in light blue, size large. She's stretchy, she's soft, she's got a little flutter. It's really pretty, like periwinkle color. That's nice. That is nice. And this is really pretty. It's a jumpsuit. It's a spaghetti strap jumpsuit. And it is by Kaylee, the Rika knit crop jumpsuit in black, size XL. And I can figure it out. Here we go. Look at, she's pretty. Pretty jumpsuit with the floral. I think that's really nice. Really cute. And we have the 9 Britain Serena square neck blouse in blue, size large. And it's like stretchy on the top. There we go. And kind of like flowy at the bottom. Oh. Interessante. The back kind of like opens. Can you see that? There's like a little crisscross back there. That's cute. Very interesting. And we have, oh, those are cute. I'm looking ahead. We have the Market & Spruce Allison t-shirt dress in black, size XL. Very, very soft. Is there something on it? Oh, it's a string. I saw it in the camera. It has a pocket. Yeah, so that's really nice. Just throw on. Really soft. Does not have pockets on the side, but it has a pocket on the chest where, you know, you don't need. And then we have, these are cute. The dun 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 dun. There it is. We have the Daisy and Delilah Fagan ruffled dolphin beach shorts in blue, size XL. So they have pockets in the back, pockets in the front, and then look at the little ruffle on the bottom of the short. Those are so cute. Okay, this is a really good box. Let's hope everything fits because that's like a potential 5 for 5, I would say. All right, let's try things on. Here's the first top. Whenever I wear blue, it just makes these walls look so green. But oh well, they kind of are, I guess. Anyway, it's really cute. I like it. I would wear this to work for sure for summer. It's so nice. I love this color. These shorts, if you're wondering, are from Kohl's. I just got them like a week or 2 ago. They're super cute. And they came in lots of colors, so check those out if you wanted to. Stretchy, very nice. I didn't want to wear this with the blue shorts too because I thought there was a lot of blue. But I'll wear the blue floral one with them. I think this is really nice. I like it. Super cute. Here it is untucked if you want to see the length. Because not everyone tucks their shirts in. So it's a nice length too. I think it's nice. I like the color a lot. Okay, let's try on the shorts to the top. Here's the top and the shorts. I really like the shorts. I think they're super cute. They're stretchy. They're very stretchy. So I didn't even have to undo this button, and it does have a zipper too. So they're like actual shorts. This top, when I first put it on, I wasn't sure. I really like the neck, but it's like really stretchy. Here's the back. So the back kind of flows. It's got that crisscross back here. So I don't think I'd wear like, I don't know, I don't think I'd wear like a tank top under it because then I could pull this maybe down a little bit more. But like my tank top showing. I think it's cute for like a flowier top. Like imagine wearing this with like some jean shorts, not these ones because these aren't jean material. Like I wear this with a true jean to like a farmer's market. You're carrying a bunch of flowers around with you. Flows open. It's got that nice deep back. I think it's cute. I don't know if I'd wear this to work. I probably could. There's nothing wrong with it, but I don't think that's gonna come open. In which case I would wear a tank top under it. I think it's cute. You could still like do a little tuck like that if you wanted to kind of like keep it there. You know what I mean? Know what I'm saying? I think that's cute. I don't have anything like it, that's for sure. With my hair up, it's kind of nice. It's kind of cute. Okay, let's try on the next two. We got a 3 out of 3 so far. Here's the dress. Super soft. Super cute. I do wish it had pockets, but that's fine. I think that's nice. I like the neckline. It's really soft, you guys. Like really, really soft. Super soft. Microsoft. No, not Microsoft. Let me pan down real time to show the length. So it's what, a couple inches above the knee maybe? I'm not good at math, but I do know your thumb is roughly 2 inches. So you can get a tape measure and measure it. I measured it yesterday with my friends. Your thumb is 2 inches. Most. No, not all thumbs, but yeah, I think that's cute. I'm gonna be in trouble with this box. All right, yeah, that's really cute. Like she said, you can dress it up or down. You can throw, you know, some nice jewelry with it. I know my head's partly cut off right now. It's all right. All right, let's do more. One last one. One last one, and we'll see how much I'm spending with this box. All right, we have the jumpsuit. I love jumpsuits. I love Kaylee's jumpsuits. I have a bra on, obviously, because, you know, bras. I took the straps down and just tucked them in. I think it's cute. Super cute. I don't have any spaghetti strap ones like this, so I think this would be nice to have. Like she said, you can dress this up or down too. Just wear it in the summertime with your hair out like this. Wear it with a jean jacket into the fall even. I think these are nice colors for like summer and fall, even though it's black. And let's pan down. Hello. And here's the length. It is cropped, which on me is not that cropped because, you know, I have short legs. This is an awful angle. But you know, there's really no better way to show the length of it. How's that? Is that a little better? Do you feel a little less inverted? Yeah, I think that's nice. It has this tie here. It doesn't do anything to like make it tighter. It's just from here to here and then it ties. So I think that's nice. Oh. All right. Everything was really good. I really like the shorts. I liked both the tops. I like the dress. I like the jumpsuit. Let's see what everything costs. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. Prices. Here we go. I'm in trouble. Hey, okay. The Daisy and Delilah shorts, Vegan Ruffled Dolphin Beach short in blue. $38 for those shorts. I like those a lot. Market and Spruce, Louisa, flutter sleeve, knit, blouse, sure, light blue, $44. 9 Britons, Serena square neck blouse in blue, $42. Everything's black and blue. The Kaylee Rika knit crop jumpsuit, $58. I knew that was going to be $58. Most of their jumpsuits are. Market and Spruce Allison t-shirt dress in black, $40. So everything together is $222 if I keep everything, which I think I am. You get $55.50 off, making the box $166.50. And I think I have around like $60 in credit right now from you guys signing up. So thank you so much. Really, really, really appreciate it. So it'd be around $100 to keep everything out of pocket. Oh, and they did give me a $20 credit as well because the box was late. So yeah. Stuff to think about. I also did buy a couple things from the Freestyle and I returned them because they didn't fit right. So I should have that back in my credits too. So maybe I'll wait until that kind of processes to check out. I'll extend my checkout a little bit maybe since I want to keep everything. So yeah, good box you guys. Thank you so much for watching and signing up. Like I said, if you want $25 towards your first box, there's a referral link down below and that would give me credit too. Really appreciate it. No pressure, no pressure. I hope you guys are having a good summer so far. We just seem to be busy every weekend. So still redoing the bathroom. I should say my husband is anyway. Still redoing that. It's a process. You know, we lost a week when we were in Jamaica. If you haven't watched that video, I put some pictures and stuff into a video for our Jamaica trip. So if you want to watch that, there's a little link up there. Yeah, so I'm gonna go clean the house and do some laundry because it's a Sunday and that's what Sundays are for, right? Right? Anyway, all right. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you next time.